So we will see in this video. It's a simple payroll application. So it's running. It's in the local network, and I'm using local IP to access this application. So it's a simple example application, right? So let me open the client machine, which is actually set up in a VM. Right, so as you can see, the net is connected to the system. So the system is online. It's actually running through a VPN. So there is one layer. So this system is not accessible from this VPN. Right. So we'll just open an AI, the chat GPT, and we will simply ask it how to solve this problem. Let's see the response. So it's the response from ChatGPT. See, it is asking us to check all the ping, the error message and all. So we will go one by one, simply according to this ChatGPT's response. Now we will ping the website. So you can see the response is coming. The response time varies, but still the response is proper. The website should open. Now we will just say that ping is fine. Let's see what is the reply from ChatGPT. So it is asking us to try the IP. However, we are directly accessing through IP, so no DNS is involved. Right. The port name is correct as we have checked from another system. Right. So it all boils down to the firewall. So the network has a firewall, and we have the list of rules. So I'm thinking to give them to the chat GPT, and let's see what will be the response. So I will just attach the okay. So I need to log in, so no issue. I will just copy paste the content of the file which I have created. Right. So So we are going Control A, Control C, Control V. Right, so immediately ChatGPT has provided a kind of solution. So it says that okay, so it says that we don't have rule from VPN to LAN, but there is a rule which denies all other traffic. So our traffic goes to the default rule, that is to deny. So ChatGPT is saying that is the issue. So let's just open the firewall. Okay. So I will just write the user ID and the password, and we are logged in. We are creating a new firewall rule as per the suggestion by ChatGPT. Right, so the rule is to allow the traffic from VPN to LAN. The source zone should be VPN. We will put the network as the device as any, destination zone LAN, and again the networks is any. Let's say, right, so the rule is there. So just check the website now from the client again, and yeah, so it's running. So with the help of ChatGPT we have resolved a problem where we have connected the website from VPN.